Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A new feature update. Now you have the ability to create invoices and subscriptions directly from the contact detail screen. So now I'm kind of in lists, smart lists. I selected my contact, my own contact in this case, and I can just, in case I'm here, I'm like, I need to charge this specific contact, right? Like a recurring subscription, I need to initiate it here or just like send an invoice. I can do it all here over here on the right side under payments. And then as you can see, there's like a payment history, but over here, actions, and you can create a subscription and you can create an invoice. So yeah, let's click on the first one, create subscription, a pop-up window, just add whichever subscription it is. You can kind of change the information, quantity, maybe not in this case, it's a digital thing. But yeah, and the start date, which also doesn't have to be today. It can be a few days ahead. Pretty straightforward, all this stuff. And when it comes to the payment itself, it's either saved cards or you can add a new card. So in this case, if it's like someone else, I don't know, it might be a scenario where you're on kind of like a sales call with them maybe, and you can kind of sign them up this way. They give you their credit card information. You can put it in here. That would be quicker. That's kind of one of the examples I can think of. But yeah, and additional options, you can switch it to test the feature out. But yeah, it's all under here. Let's just click on cancel. When it comes to the invoices, they are under here. Click on, payments again, click on actions, and then here, create an invoice. And it's going to take us directly to create a new invoice with the information already filled in. So that kind of makes it easier as well, right? We don't have to fill that information in. And here, if you filled out an invoice, this is the same thing, right? Just add the items and kind of, yeah, that's pretty much, it's pretty straightforward, and you can just send it to that person. Again, similar scenario might be on like a sales call as well. You're closing a sale. Just you need to send them an invoice and they need to pay it. That can be all done manually during the call pretty quickly. But yeah, that's the short version of it. It's obviously to find your specific contact, you go to lists, and then under smart lists, you find your contact, and you can do those actions on the right side, essentially under the payments option. But yeah, that's it for this one. If you have any questions, click on down below over here, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.